I see you're panicking again. I was just reading what you were writing there. I'm panicking again. Have a trade on since last week. First target 113 pips.
Yeah, hit the first target 113 pips. It then I entered it on the 4-hourly chart. It went down. It almost hit the first target, and it sort of stalled and it stalled. But I wasn't around watching the charts at the time. And then next thing I know, it's retraced back up, and it stopped over the weekend. It didn't stop, but it was when the markets closed. They'd gone from getting on for 100 pips in profit. All three of them were now at about 20 pips loss. So that was it, of course, for the weekend. And then when I got back from work today and I opened it up and had a look, like, oh, well, it's hit the first target and taken out the first target, 113 pips. And the other two are still open. And they're both, well, looking at them now, one of them's 94 pips profit, the other one's 92 pips profit.
So you see how important the patience part is again?
Yeah. I mean, but the thing is, again, looking at the 4-hourly chart, it's lower lows, lower highs, and then we've got lower highs, but it looks
what pair is that? What pair are you referring to?
The pound Japanese yen.
Oh, can you do screen sharing with me?
Yeah, absolutely.
You just have to. You know how it works on Skype, right?
Yes, I do. Hang on one second. I've done it before with my brother.
Just go to call, and it says share screen or screens.
So
in the left corner up there on Skype. It says Skype contacts conversation and then call.
Yep.
Click on call.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Call. Share screens. There we go.
Let me just give me a sec, so I can make that bigger. Okay. Okay, I have it.
So it's I kind of entered on the. Let me see if I can open it up.
Was the 4-hourly chart, or did you combine it with a lower time frame
No, it was a 4-hourly. There wasn't.
Okay, here we go.
I actually did it on my main computer, so this is actually now I've just kind of picked this up again on my laptop. But we basically it had come up. We had the EMA cross here with a 1, 2, 3 there. So like I said, so I guess from down there, 1, 2.
You can draw the line down to the bottom of the peak. It's okay. So you find the lowest points.
Okay, no so problem. Up to there.
Yeah, exactly.
And I entered. So that was a nice 1, 2, 3 there. I entered at the close of this first red candle, which was my kind of train of thought was that it had broken this 200 EMA, and then like I say, it went down. These two here went down to almost to my first target. It then retraced. Oh no! It then started coming down again. It retraced. Oh no! But then it's come down. It's hit the target, and now they're just kind of like I say, they're. It just seems that they're bouncing off. We've got 1. Almost there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's like, well, is that as much as it worth me taking maybe the second lot out?
You mean the horizontal support? Yeah. Look, about the retracement part, you always expect the retracement back to the 36, right? So
yes,
even if you see that happening, don't worry too much. I mean, you know that it will probably go back up, find the 200, in this case the 36. You have your trend line. Draw a trend line from the highest point, and then just connect the 3 touches. Okay, there we go. So the stop is over that area. Not really much to worry about. And you said that the first target is out. So why is that yellow line under the price then?
This yellow line.
Yeah. Or is it
Oh, this is just my I've adjusted the Fibonacci tool just so that when I mean I can just get rid of that.
yeah, get rid of it so we don't get confused.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, you have the retracement. You always know you have a chance it could go against you and everything. It could create a higher low over the 36, then you can still come out. But, okay, now that the first target is out and you find support on the 4-hourly, look at the daily. Just switch to the daily. Okay, what do you see here?
Well, it's come up. It's broken the trend line. It's come back down the EMAs across, and then it's kind of ranged a little bit. But still we have lower highs, and then we're just waiting, I guess, now for obviously it's a much bigger time frame, waiting for a lower low down here.
Exactly. So if you look where you have your target, that's exactly again a support area, right? We have previous touches there. And everything. It's a good area anyway. It's a good area anyway. So if the price goes down, if you check the weekly chart, it will probably go down even to the 200 EMA, right? So if it goes against you, no harm done really. But because you're kind of new to everything, and I don't want you to have too much pressure, go back to the 4-hourly.
Yeah.
Okay. You see the price already created a lower point here. You see it's lower than the previous support areas. That could really mean that it will drop at some point. Okay. It could also go back, and like always. But right now it looks in your favor still. If you think it's too much pressure because the price comes back into this area over let's say support, what you could do is take out one more lot with your 100 pips, create the win-win situation, right?
Yeah.
And then you have one lot still running. What you could do is don't put a target for it in, leave it, and when it goes down to your target, close it manually. Close to this area. Okay?
Yeah.
You have to do it manually because if you put a target in, it will close the whole position. But you want to leave a lot open. So what you do, you take out another 100 pips, then you have 200 pips. You trail your stop on the 4-hourly chart right now because the price created another 1, 2, 3 here, right?
Yes.
Another 1, 2, 3. It didn't create a great lower point, but it went a little bit lower. So for you to feel better, trail the stop over there. Then even the last lot, even if it goes against you, will only take half of the loss, and you keep 2.5 lots profits in the end, right?
Yeah. I mean, the other thing I was going to ask is looking on the hourly chart. This is the hourly chart, and it come down. It's bounced off the 200 there. They've crossed again, so I didn't know whether maybe I could trail my stop on this on the 1 hourly chart from there down here somewhere. So instead of having like a 100 and instead of having the 113 pip, I could maybe trail stop above the 200, above this, make it maybe a 50 pip stop.
Yeah, it's the same. Look, draw the line on the 4-hourly chart. It's not a big difference. Draw the trend line, connect the high before the crossover to the high before it hit the target 1. Just draw the line. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, like this. And you can also extend the line to the previous high if you want to on the other side. What is with you and this pink color?
I don't know. Let me get rid of that one.
Just kidding. Okay. And look, if you it's the same thing. If you trail it over that line, it's almost the same compared to the 1 hourly chart. It's not a big
so trail it here somewhere.
Exactly. Trail it over there, and then you can really leave it alone, do something else, forget about it.
Okay.
The whole day.
Yeah, because then, I mean, if I trail the stop to there, then I don't, even if both of the other lots come back and stop out, then I'll still be at break even anyway.
Yes, exactly. But as I said, take out if you want to another. You have two. You said you have two positions still running,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So I've still. Oh well. So it's yeah about 80, 81, 83 pips
Okay, it doesn't matter.
still.
So if you take out half of that remaining lot, it's a small lot anyway. You can still split the other half. Like if it's reaching this point two, leave the half open. Yeah, and you can then trail it on a daily, weekly chart to really try to make hundreds of pips with it.
Yeah.
If it goes down, watch the weekly chart again. You'll see. Yeah, you see, if the price comes down, you have the 200 EMA there. If it goes lower, it's hitting the 36, and it's bouncing there. You can still come out with the last lot, and that would be how many pips from the entry?
To where? To the 36?
Yeah, more or less. Yeah, it could even go lower. It's
620.
yeah. Even with a third of, with a half of the remaining lot, it still makes a difference on the account. Okay, with 600 pips.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah.
So I would take out, if you're watching right now, take out the GBP JPY in case it doesn't move lower. Okay. And leave the last slot open and take half of it out if it's close to your second, to your normal second target, and then leave half of it running. So
how do I take half of it out?
Just click on it. Click on that. Maybe in the background you hear my son playing. Just double click on the price, like where it says order, on the left side of it.
Oh right, okay.
And you up there where it says volume, you just write in 0.05. Then half is out.
Oh, I see. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know you could change the lots halfway through, the actual lot size.
Right now it looks like it goes your way, so leave it.
Yeah.
Maybe you can make the 100 pips, or maybe it's crashing down and you don't have to do anything. But if you're watching, and it looks like it won't go lower right now, to release pressure, take out the whole lot, the 0.10, and then leave 0.10 open, as I said. And if it's reaching your 200 pips target, or whatever the target was for the second part, then take out half of it there, 0.05.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize you could do that.
Yes,
that's
you can.
fantastic.
You can. It's easy.
Excellent.
Also, I wanted to send out an alert for the traders in our live room to start trailing their stop on the euro yen trade, which is mostly win to win, depending on the time frame people entered. Let me check.
I don't have the euro yen. That's not one of my 10 here.
It's okay. I mean,
oh yes, sorry, yeah, the euro yen.
Other pairs look better anyway, but right now you see, even on the 4-hourly chart, it moved lower, and on the 1-hourly chart, it's the same scenario more or less than yours. You can draw a trend line here, that line you see from up there, and take now the stop and trail it over here, and that would mean that the last position is 35 pips in profits, even if it goes against you. And remember, we had a stop of about 50-60 pips, 2 lots out, and now even if it goes against us overnight, we still take 30 pips with the remaining lot. But in case it goes our way, in the end, it could go down to the 200 EMA. Remember the weekly chart support, which is here, and that could be another 400-500 pips. So why not trying to take the 500 pips instead of closing everything right now or something like that? There's no reason. Just follow the last lot rules. Leave the last lot open. It's just, I know it's not that easy, but you have done it already a couple of times. You will get used to it soon.
Yeah.
Come on, you're a pilot, man.
No, it's just like I say, you look at it, you think, crikey, if I was to just hit stop now on all of these, that would be pretty much a 300 pip trade.
And if it goes down 500
it's
pips,
just a little bit overwhelming sometimes.
Yeah, but if it goes down another 500 pips, you would lose. You would miss out 500 pips plus the 300.
Yeah. True.
So, come on, you are flying planes. This is easier.